Hello, students. In continuation to the previous lecture on communication barriers, let's start with another type of barrier, that is perceptual barrier. Now, what is perceptual barriers? You all know that we all see the world from our own perspective. We see the world differently, and it is because of our backgrounds, our values, our preferences, our life experiences that enact as a filter on our experiences of people, events, and information. Now, see what are the types of perceptual barriers. The first is difference in understanding. Usually, we are not conscious of our fellow beings and we neglect their feelings, and it may be possible that people have wrong and negative perception about others. The second type is about difference in perception of reality. Difference in perception of reality, you all know that we take reality from different perspective. An experiment was done with few people who were left with their eyes closed near an elephant. It is a very famous example. They all were given different locations near the elephant. They all predicted the same animal with different perception by touching it from different angles. Some took its ear as a fan, some others took its body as a wall, its tail as a rope, its feet as a tree, so its teeth as a spear. So it is our perception, how we perceive the reality. It depends upon our own experiences, our values. The another example is a very famous one, that is about this glass. You have been asked so many times whether this glass is half full or half empty. So it depends what we see in a person or a thing. Now the another type of perceptual barrier is difference in values, attitudes, and opinion. You all know what values are. What appear right to us may be wrong to others, and vice versa. It's our values that lead us to the definition of right and wrong. And what is the solution to overcome these perceptual barriers? The first solution that comes to my mind is to is by starting listening to others. When we start listening to others, when we have the patience to listen about another's thought, we overcome perceptual barriers. The second solution is we should clarify if there is any sort of confusion. If if we want to make our bonding strong, it is very essential. The third is to stay calm and be positive. While confronting perceptual barrier, we should stay calm and positive. Your goodwill and tolerance will pay you positive results later or sooner. So, students, it is very essential to figure out the barriers and remove them to get success. Now comes your assignment. The question is, write something about your own perceptual barriers which hinders you to communicate. Thank you. Wish you all the best.